You see me doing thrill seeker liquor store holdups with a Born to Lose tattoo on my chest?
No, I do not.
Right.
Then don't take down scores.
I do what I do best. You do what you do best, trying to stop guys like me.
So I'm going out to Gas Monkey because I heard that itsjusta6 is, yeah, itsjusta6. Man, this dude got I think he got about 1,000 horsepower to his Mustang, but I'm gonna go see if he'll race me. Hey man, where is itsjusta6 at? Have y'all seen it? He on his way?
Yeah.
He ain't here yet. All right, man. Well, y'all call him, tell him the Soul Snatcher is here. I'm looking for a soul to steal. Hey, Hell Keezy will be down there on the night. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Pretty sure that's his trailer over there, but dude, this is the thing that scares me about YouTube right here, man. Zach, what do you think? How would you feel if you were like, oh, meat, dude, here comes fucking 600,000 people?
I'm actually dumbfounded. Like, I can't even imagine. Like, look at how many people are.
Right, like, they're rubbing against his trailer right now.
Insane. You've got like 4,000 people out here at this pop-up car meet.
The cop, bro, you know the cops right now are like, what the fuck, man?
Dude, but look, they're hitting his truck, they're fucking yelling.
Smacking his fucking trailer.
I don't have anxiety, but this would freak me the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm not about this. I can't do this shit.
What's going on? Hey, let me get on over to work again. What's up, baby? What's up? Y'all see the Soul Snatchers in the house? Hey, man, I'm coming over here. Well, I'm coming. I'm gonna come see if he can give me a race. Hey, Gavin, what's going on, brother? I want to know, can you give the Soul Snatcher a race? What you gonna do? I know it's fast, baby. What you would love to? Hey, man, y'all hear it, man. He said he would love to. All right, guys. All right. Hey, man, you know I had to come see you. I can't let you come to my town without letting, without coming to see you. Hey, man, what up? Hey, I tell you what, Tall Guy's coming through on February the 9th. Okay. And he's bringing Hell Keezy. We're gonna race on the 9th at the Motorplex in the quarter. And then we're gonna go and then we're gonna go to Xtreme on the 10th. Okay. So if you want to come in February the 10th, February the 9th, come get some. Bring it on up here. February the 10th. All right, man. There he is. Hey, you think the Soul Snatcher win?
He already beat him now.
Hey, no. Hey, I'm talking about from a dig on the drag strip. That's what we racing. Okay. So who got the Soul Snatcher on a dig from the drag strip in the 8th mile?
Don't walk away.
And who got just the 6?
Yeah.
All right.
It has gotten this real. What? What up? Alrighty then. There goes this trailer, right? This is how his meet ended. This is how the meet went. Right here. All right, this got out of control really quickly.
If I'm there and I gotta put you away, I won't like it. But I'll tell you, you are going down.
There's a flip side to that coin. What if you do got me boxed in? Then I gotta put you down. We've been face to face, yeah, but I will not hesitate.
Maybe that's the way it'll be. Or who knows?
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top. And if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.